Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching Dropship Doctors and also affiliated with Seller Central Service. Thank you so much. I'm just showing you a brief video, whether you are just learning from our programs and our training as a virtual assistant, or you came on board as a dropshipping partner with us. Either way it go, it's definitely going to be a great experience, and we're going to show you frontline and center all the expertise all the things that make up our expertise, shall I say. So let's make this short, brief, quick, and sweet. Okay. First, you're gonna log into your Facebook account. Once you log into your Facebook account, matter of fact, I'm gonna go all the way back here. Okay. Let's put this down. Okay. Now, the first thing that I noticed, I want to try to get you all there from, okay, let's go to Marketplace. Alright, get us to the Marketplace area. Because I was going to start you right there, but I kind of want to go back and see if I can get you exactly. You know what, to make it even better, this is exactly how I did it. Alright, up here at the top, let's go here. All I did is add that onto it. So you have facebook.com, you know, https :// or either // whichever one it is, on www.facebook.com, you know, etc., etc. So once you click on that, give you just a little cheat instead of going through all of that. It takes you right here. Just make sure that you're logged into your Facebook account. That's going to be the best way to do it. All right. And so we figured that out together because I was thinking about you all, and I'm thinking to myself, hey man, this is too much. Let's see if I can get my audience there a whole lot faster. So here we go. Click Commerce Profile. And as soon as you click Commerce Profile, you want to go and you want to click Go to Settings. Okay. Once you click Go to Settings, then you want to, let's scroll down. Not there, but over here. Okay. Oh, come on. There you go. Facebook Pay. So you just click on Facebook Pay. It's going to take you to this page. I might even copy and paste and put this in the actual, let's take this over here. Let's copy it. Because you might can shortcut this. Never mind that. That's helping some of our drop shipping customers out with their credit so they can get funded. See, a lot of other agencies, they don't do all of that. Okay, I'm sorry. Let me go back here. Where was I located at? There's so many different pages I have up. Oh, God. Okay, so it took me there. Okay, we have here. Okay, yes. So it took me here. All right. Right here, exactly. This is where I came it from. Because this is the highlighted URL. So we'll go right here. And we go, as a matter of fact, let's go back, just to make sure you all are on the same page. We're going to make it real slow. In fact, I'm going to go back even again. So in this case, you don't have to even watch the video twice. So like I said, you can put this URL browser in your browser area, this URL into your browser area. Just make sure that you're already logged into Facebook, same as I am here. Okay. You scroll down here, you click on Commerce Profile. Make sure you match all of this up because it's a few different areas that look very similar to this. So just make sure that all of this, your listings is at the top, you know, shipping orders, shipping offers, just to make sure you're on the same page. But this URL will definitely get you there. So you click on Commerce Profile. Okay, once you click on Commerce Profile, you just go right here. You're going to see the blue link. Go to Settings. It's going to be right up under your name. So you click Go to Settings. Once you click go to settings, you come over here. It's going to be a little scroll down bar. It's kind of hidden. If you notice, you won't even notice it. See how it's not there until you hover the mouse over into this area. So you scroll down. Okay. Scroll down. Okay. And you hit Facebook Pay. And as you can see, I don't mind backtracking. I'm going to take it very, very slow and easy just to make sure everyone understands and is able to do this. It's definitely very, very vital that you get it done and add a payment onto here for your listings to even start showing. So you add payment. Now here I'm going to, of course, pause the video briefly just because I'm already, I'm going to be showing some personal private information. So I'm going to choose the card instead of PayPal. I like, just the independency of the card versus PayPal. So here we go. Let me pause the video 1 second. All right, I'm back, ladies and gentlemen. Just didn't want to show my card private. Show my private card. So here, as you can see, now it's showing a default for purchases. It's showing a Visa credit card here, and that's really about it. That's it. Very easy, short, simple, very sweet. If you want to, I even go back over it again. Hold on 1 second, one more time. Let's go back. I do this for you all, so it has nothing to do with me. It's all for you. So matter of fact, I'm going to cheat a little bit and go ahead and copy and paste this. Which, let me make sure I put this right here so I can add this into the videos area as well too. These will be shortcuts that should get you there a little bit faster. Come here. All right. Matter of fact, let's go all the way back out. Let's go all the way to the beginning. Okay. All right. Now let's go here. Click on here. Let's click here. Copy. Go back here. Go up here. Click paste. Okay, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading. Boom. Brought us right to the page where we need to go. Scroll down. Click Commerce Profile. Once you click Commerce Profile, you go here where it's the first. As soon as the page arrives, no matter what computer you're on, it's going to show Go to Settings right here in this area. Can't miss it. Right next to the lock pad. Click Go to Settings. Scroll down all the way till you get to Facebook Pay. Click on Facebook Pay. Okay. Voila. And right here in this area, you see where it says Add Payment. You just click on Add Payment. You choose which one you want to choose. I prefer credit card simply because PayPal do too many checks and just headache for me. Okay, put in your card number here, everything, and voila. Click Save. It'll load right up, and that's it. Hopefully that helped you all out, and continue watching the channel. And also go to Seller Central Service YouTube channel as well too. It's going to help you out a lot with Amazon and Walmart service over there. This is going to be, this particular channel is going to be for Facebook and Etsy. And also we're going to do a lot of eBay also. All right. Thank you. See you next time. Make sure email me. You can email us at dropshipdoctors@gmail.com. And we will gladly respond. Or either you can also email me at sellercentralservice@gmail.com, and we will get back with you. The ROI is definitely great on these different drop shipping platforms. One of them in particular would be, I would say 8% to 20%. 20%. And not only that, you also know firsthand where is the best places to get the cheapest items. So it's a lot of perks that come along with this drop shipping service. It's remote. It's very scalable. You can travel the world. Give us an email, and we would greatly serve you and make sure that we're great stewards of your account. Thank you.